Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to generate reports in FreeAgent software. So we'll come in accounting menu. Here you will get reports option. So once you click here you will get this display where you can see various reports. Okay, just like profit and loss account, then after balance sheet, aged debtor, aged creditor, okay, spending categories, show transactions, trial balance, audit trail, bank record. So there are so many reports are there. Okay, if I click on profit and loss account, then you can see there are so many options like monthly P&L, quarterly P&L, yearly P&L. So the way of presentation is very good here, as you can see. Okay, and you can also see comparative P&L account if you want to compare the two P&L. Okay, so you can see from here, and you can also select the ranges of period. From here you can also select custom range of period from here. Similarly, you can also export the reports in CSV as well as in PDF from here. Okay, and from drop down you can select any reports from here. So let's see, show transaction report. So here I'll select all accounts. Okay, so this report is equivalent to general ledger or nominal ledger, as you can see. You can select the period and you can export in CSV. So in this way you can see and access the various reports in FreeAgent software. Okay, thanks for watching.